there, I have another Helpsy source unboxing for you today. I've got another White House Black Market box. There are 40 items in this box and the cost was about $3 or $4 per item, but that's a good price. I would probably pay up to $5, but I'm happy when it's not $5. Download your free reseller resource guide today. I constantly update and share with you discounts, favorites, tools, and resources to help you with your reselling business. After the video, click the link in the description and get your totally free guide today. Let's dive in. Ooh, okay, yay. So, favorite thing, new tag plus new with tags. The only downfall is that it has the clearance like writing on it, which is unfortunate. But so this is what we like to see, that kind of tag, the rectangle, horizontal, new with tags, but it has the writing. So what kind of dress is this? I don't know, just a white and black dress. We will sell this on Poshmark. So what we're doing is sorting between what I'm gonna sell myself, oh, another new with tags, and what I'm not going to sell myself. And when I don't sell it, that means I'm just looking to recoup my money, maybe get a small profit, and kind of pretend that that item didn't exist in the box because it's just not something I'm interested in selling. This one, again, brand new with tags and a dress, so that's a definite. These are jeans, so size 0, the jegging, that's high rise. So, I mean, someone wants them. Do I want to sell them? I mean, they're in great condition, so yeah, I'll sell it. All right, this one is a new tag. It looks a little beat up, size medium, long sleeve top. So, I mean, it's not anything special, but again, I do like to have basics in my closet, things that people can bundle with other things, or just, you know, I need another black top, whatever, to go with something. And so the right kinds of basics I do include. What is this? Okay, a cowl neck, sleeveless. Yeah, that's good. Size medium, we'll do that. I really don't want to sell shorts. I don't know why. I mean, I totally could. It's not really high rise though. Size 6. I'm gonna say no to those. Maybe others I would say yes to, but this is an old tag. These are just like leggings with a little slit at the bottom. No, I don't want to sell those. Sometimes, like I said, I have a rhyme or reason for why I'm picking certain things, and sometimes I don't. This seems a little faded to me. And it's probably an old tag, which it is, size small. So I'm gonna not sell that because that just, there's a few strikes against it. This one is a size 0 dress. It's missing the belt, but I don't love this style, so I'm not going to sell that. If it was a 0 but a style that was more current, even if it had an old tag, I would be more inclined to do it. So this one is a new tag, probably midi, but it's cold shoulder, but I'm gonna give it a whirl because I've been not selling cold shoulder things. I don't really want to, but it's a newer style, probably can find the stock photo for it. It's a dress, which means that it's, you know, an item of value, so I'm gonna go with it. Runway 00L, so that's long, I guess. Are these 00 long? Because if they are, no, those are small. Okay, no. I was gonna say if there was a lotting situation, I would do a lot, but this is cute. I mean, this is the kind of thing that people that wear White House Black Market like. So, is that a stain though? Yeah, there's a stain on that. And that's okay. I mean, honestly, we have been doing pretty good. This is just a cute little cardigan, so teeny tiny. Where's our tags though? But it doesn't have a size tag up here. No, I don't want to deal with that. Oh, another new with tags. So new tag and new with tag and size large. Oh my God, what's wrong with you? Is something wrong with you? White shirt. Nothing looks wrong with you. That's glorious. I would keep that for me, but I don't want to wear a white shirt. That would not work out well for me. Extra small. I mean, I don't love this, but someone might just need a top. And so again, given the bundle situation, I do get a good fair amount of bundles. I encourage bundles. I don't know how I feel about this. Let's say no on this. Let's not do that one. Let's see what else we have. What are you? White House Black Market, silk, extra small. That looks good. We can do that. Like that. Wide leg crop, size 0. Yes, we need these. Even though they're size 0, they're high rise. I can already tell. That is good. The skinny 10 long curvy crop. Well, I'm definitely not a long, but it's crop. So how is it long and crop and skinny but curvy? That's like very interesting. I might try these on because they might work out for me. High rise, but I'm not a long. I'm usually regular or short, but it's interesting. So this one just, it's okay, but it's like a little bit pilled. I don't think I want to deal with that. That was just like a long sleeve top. I don't think that's worth it. This one is an old tag, probably, yeah. Pretty dated dress. I mean, lots of dresses in here, which is great. I don't want to sell that. What's this? No tag. I might try that on. It's possible. Possible for me, so it doesn't go to waste. Ooh. Ooh, okay. So the new tag, size 10, pretty color, blazer. Yes. So we'll sell this for sure. So far I think we have equal piles of what I'm gonna sell myself on Poshmark and what is gonna kind of be liquidated-ish. I mean, sometimes even when I liquidate things, I still make a small profit. It's just not ideal because it does take some effort. This is no good. It does take some effort to like go up to Style Encore and the Comfort Stretch Slim Ankle size 8 Classic, new tag, high rise. I don't really need another pair of black pants though, so I'll sell those. If I did need a pair of black pants, those would be mine. White House Black Market, extra, extra small. So this is one of those things where I don't really want to sell an extra, extra small, but this just, I think it's just a little, I could probably just use a wipe maybe if that comes out. So there's just a little something on it right there. I'll sell this, but if I can't get the thing out, then I'm not going to sell it. I want to make you aware of the hottest, the best deal I have ever offered in my Rebecca the Reseller Academy. To find it, all you have to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find this right here. Hot deal, best value, all courses and digital downloads for life. This is it, friends. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm giving you everything I have in my academy, all the digital downloads, all the courses for just $20. The best part is if I create a new digital download going forward, you will get it absolutely free. This is the time to lock in the best deal I have ever offered. All you have to do is go to Rebecca the Reseller Academy, scroll down to Hot Deal, and purchase it for $20. If you're wondering what comes in this, it's everything. So you're going to get all of my courses, and you're also going to get all of the digital downloads that I've created, including my keywords list, my listing forms, my Poshmark closet signs, everything that I have created, and everything that I ever will create will be yours for literally $20. Extra, extra small. So maybe I could do a lot of extra, extra small. So that's a tank top, extra, extra small. This is a tank top, extra, extra small. This one's new with the tag. So yeah, that's definitely gonna be a lot, I think. Crop 4, old tag, white. Definitely somebody wants these. they in good enough condition? They look really good. They look good. I mean, they just need like a lint roll, like a wipe down, but those look good. We'll do that. What is this? Oh my heavens. Old tag, extra small cami. Maybe. Again, I have a special sale going on. I don't know if you're going to find out about it before or after this video goes up, but it's making me want to take more items than I normally would. This is so White House Black Market. So White House Black Market. It's making me want to take certain things because I just have this good sale that's been going really well. So I kind of want to keep feeding it. This is a size 10. It's an old tag, but I like this kind of thing because it's kind of that look that would have been like a bandage dress, but it's not. It's actually a fit and flare type dress. So I feel like it's dated, but it's not. And it has the mesh, so kind of classic. Size small. Looks good. Neutrals are good. So we definitely have a bigger pile for sell it myself, which is great, which is what I love. So this is a nice, thick, hopefully warm, white sweater. It's looking pretty good. I don't see anything on it, so that's a good one. That's good. Oh, no, sometimes with the lights, you think the lights help you, and sometimes they don't. Oh my. Oh my, runway legging, White House Black Market, size 12. Well, I'll be in like a corduroy. Somebody wants that. Yes. All right, White House Black Market, obviously, old tag, size 0. They're a little faded. We're gonna say no to those. Plus we have a good pile going. I wanna keep it the good stuff. All right, so this is a tank top with some metal detail. I can't tell if it's just the beige or if it's dingy. Like, it's definitely a beige stripe, but I can't tell if I think that it's dingy or if it's just the beige stripe. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk it, just in case. All right, 00, very oldie skirt. So we're not going to do that. Perfect form, boot cut, 12 regular. Has been dry cleaned. Okay, looks good. And it's a high rise. So we're going to do it because it's a good size. 12, we already had some other 12s, and it's, you know, it's a good size. So I feel pretty good about this box. We have several items of value. We have some good sizing. We have some lot items. We have definitely a bigger pile that I'm going to sell myself, which means more money, more sales, more profit, and a smaller pile for items that I need to liquidate, either to Style Encore, my local buy sell trade store, or to thread up after that. And with White House Black Market, you might get a dollar or two profit on something. So I'm okay with it. I think I'm going to do just fine on this box. I think it's going to be a good one. So if you're going to order from Helpsy Source, make sure that you use a code. My code is Rebecca the Reseller. It gets you 10% off. And if you have questions about ordering pallets and ordering boxes, let me know down in the comments. But I think this was a good box. They're not always good boxes, but I feel really good about this. So I will see you in the next video. Bye. Poshmark VA is a tax-deductible business investment that pays for itself many times over each month. It increases Poshmark sales because it shares and sends offers more than I ever could manually. It handles all my shares, automatic offer to likers, bulk offers, and it can do price drops and relists. When my coaching clients add Poshmark VA, it makes more sales basically immediately. The best part is that you get your time back. More time with family, thrifting, whatever. Get 20% off with code Rebecca the Reseller and the link below.